In the day of spring, the baby bird was hatched. The other one is the youngest one. It's named Brady. Brady Bird. Then a few weeks later, Mama and Papa Bird were taught 3 children how to fly. All is ready except Brady, because he's too young to fly. So they start to fly without him. He felt so ashamed, but not to be one all alone. He started to fly all by himself. He started flipping his wings and started flapping and flapping, and then suddenly he fell off the nest. Down, down, all the way down. And then, plop! He fell to the ground. He can't fly, and he wished to try to fly. So this is what I commit, strolling around, shadowing around with a nut. I'm a nut. I'm a nut. That's right, you mutts. I'm a nut. Oh, my goodness. What have we here? Looks like to me that your flight has been too early to take off.
Oh, go away!
Oh, go away? Without any introductions? Why, don't be too scared. I won't bite. I'm Chappy Squirrel.
I'm Brady.
Oh, come now. Why are you feel so glum on the day of spring like this?
I can't fly. I even can't fly up there where my home is.
Oh, well, don't you worry, kid. I know a thing or two about birds could fly as lessons, so I'm gonna teach you.
Really?
Really, as in Tiki Kiwi and the Voodoo Dodo could, with obsessed weight and flightless wings. But it's just another story. Now come on, let's take you to fly. Now, raise your wings way up like you just wiggle it. Come on, just wiggle it. Wiggle it now. Good. Now, shake your tail on your bottom. Shake it. Come on now, shake it while you still got them. That's good. Now, here you go. Tippity-toe, and off you go.
I gotta make it. I'm flying! And no, I'm not. Ah!
Ooh. Let's try again.
Oh.
Ay. Oh dear.
Oh.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Ay.
Oh, mama.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh boy.
This is hopeless. Now I never get to fly. Oh, Mama and Papa will be so worried about me down here while I'm out of the nest.
Oh, don't worry, Brady. I know that you can do it. Even it means that you could follow your heart, and nothing is impossible. And never say never.
I believe you. I think I could. I think I can. I think I could. I think I can. I don't believe it. I don't believe it.
Believe it, kid. You fly. You could fly.
I could fly. I can fly! Thank you, Champy, for everything.
Aw, that was nothing. Aw, that's so sweet. I'll be seeing you someday.
We will. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Brady.
Goodbye.
See you back. Brady finally returns to his home and his family. Once they surprised that he was flying, they very proud of him for first flight so soon. All by himself. But Brady wouldn't done it without his good friend. And that's the story, folks.